YouTube, it's your girl Dose of Des here with this stunning black mermaid look. Yes, so I made this unit and I was like, I need a look to correspond with this gorgeous hair. So this is the look I came up with. This is like a teal mermaid, Barbie, black Barbie, just a hodgepodge of things. I never know what to call my videos or my looks. It's just, a lot of the times it's just freestyling. So this is the black Barbie look. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. So I'm gonna shut up and you guys can continue watching so you can get this full look. I will see you guys later. Bye. I'm gonna start on my eyes. So before I do that, just to help catch all the fallout, I'm gonna use this little sponge brush. I'm gonna use this sponge and I'm gonna set under my eyes. All right, so I'm gonna use my Smashbox. I've used it so much that the title isn't even on here anymore. So it's the Smashbox eye primer. Okay, to set my eyes, now that my eyes have eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use my Jacqueline Hill palette, and we're gonna just use a neutral color just to kind of neutralize my eyes. So I'm kind of dipping into all three of these right here, all four actually, just trying to get a neutral base. So we're just gonna dust that over the eye. It's like nothing even happened. Okay, to warm up this eye, I'm gonna go in with like this color right here and a little bit of the orange. I dip in a lot of colors just to see what I could get. I'm just gonna warm up my crease, and we're just gonna start in my crease and just blend back and forth. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I really like the pinks and red in this palette, so I'm probably gonna dip into a little bit of Love Letter, just a little bit, and warm up my crease a little more. Now we're gonna go back into the Jacqueline Hill palette and we're gonna work with this purple. So we're just gonna dip our brush in a little bit, just dust it a little bit, because we're gonna kind of build into this purple pink kind of look. So we're gonna go a little deeper into the crease with this purple. Ooh yeah, oh yeah, cabs here, y'all. Okay, so just to deepen up this look a little bit more, we're gonna go into these dark colors, these four right here, and kind of just deepen the look up a little bit. I'm going in with that same brush. I haven't even wiped it off because I just like the blendability of having all the colors in there. I'm just gonna make it a little deep, just smoke it out a little bit. Smoke it out just a little bit, girl. We're just gonna smoke it out just a little bit here. Ow! If y'all don't know, I'm using this color right here. I'm wiping off my brush and I'm gonna go into that Love Letter just a little bit more. I'm really just taking like the tips. I can see like 12 bristles go in this, and that's all I want. Just a little bit. We're just gonna pick up a little bit and take whatever's in my brush and just blend it up, because I really want that pink to show. I may have blended over it a little bit, but I still want that pink to show. Okay, now I'm gonna take, ooh, which one do I want to use? I think I might use Tempera. I'm gonna use that as, you know, under my eyebrow highlight. Okay, now our highlight is nice and blended. Let's get into the eyelid look. All right, so to make the base for this eyeshadow look, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever. It's kind of dirty. Makeup Forever XL Aqua XL color paint, and this is in M52. Okay, that is my cut crease. That is the best it's gonna get. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush. This is the M167 brush, and I've got my Dose of Colors. This is a really cool eyeshadow. I seen it at Sephora. No, I saw it at Ulta, and I was like, I have to get this. Just looking at it in the display case, it was so beautiful. It's called Teal Me More. So I bought that, and I'm gonna spray my brush. I feel like it picks up product better that way. So I'm gonna spray the tips of the brush, and then I'm gonna dip it into here. Okay, look at that. So pretty, right? All right, so my eye is done. I'm gonna dust away this fallout, and then we'll line my eyes and put on some lashes, then I'll come back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have lined my lids, and you can see I put on some lashes. I can't even tell you the name of these lashes. I wish I could. They were just some leftover lashes that I used, and excuse me, saved for a different day. Okay, so now we're gonna get into finishing this look. I'm gonna go in with my Super Shocks shadow from ColourPop Cosmetics. So this is in the color Issa, like 21 Savage Issa knife. Yeah, that's what they call the Issa. Interesting. All right, so I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this brush here. I wonder if I should wet it. ColourPop, their eyeshadows are just a little different than normal eyeshadow. They kind of got like a gel consistency, and I feel like they're easier to put on with your fingers than it is with a brush, but we shall see. I'm gonna use this to go under to line, kind of not line, but kind of bring some color to under my lashes. Okay, so for that pop of color in the middle, in my each hair duct, I'm going to use this little pointed pencil brush. I'm going to just wet the tip with my spray. Okay, I'm going to dip into, I think, Primavera from the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just going to dip that brush right in here and just like tap right in the tear duct. Just a little bit in the tear duct. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna line my lips first with my NYX lip liner in the color Espresso. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my nude lipstick. This is from Revlon. It's 672 Brazilian Tan. So this is my go-to nude lipstick. All right, so I'm gonna go over my lips with this clear gloss from Rimmel London. All right, so got my lips on, and now I'm going to mist my face. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. I had to go in and fix my wig a little bit, but I think it came out pretty nicely, I guess. Yeah, so what do you guys think? I just can't stop staring at this eyeshadow. Like, when I saw this hair, I was like, I have to make an eyeshadow look. So It is just so beautiful. I love this look. I just got to give myself a round of applause because I did that. Okay, all right. Okay, I need to stop. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot. Please leave comments below if you have any questions about products I use or any critiques or criticisms. I don't know. Just write what you think about this look. Yeah, so please like and subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos from me. And I hope that you share this video with your friends and family. And I will see you guys next time with my next video. Bye.